In today's video, I will walk you through how to add indicator in MT5. To begin, open MetaTrader 5 the way you normally would. Once the platform has finished loading, press Ctrl and N on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Navigator panel. After the Navigator panel appears, you'll see several categories available. Find the section called Indicators. Click it to expand the list of available indicators. Once the list is expanded, browse through the available categories until you find the indicator that you want to use. If the category is collapsed, click it to display the indicators inside. Continue looking through the list until you locate the specific indicator that you want to add to your chart. When you've found the indicator you want to use, click and hold it with your mouse, keep holding it, then drag it over to your chart. When your chart is highlighted, release the mouse button to drop the indicator onto the chart. After you do that, a settings window will appear. Inside this window, you'll be able to see the available parameters for that indicator. If you want to make changes, adjust the parameters before continuing. If you don't want to change anything, you can leave the default settings as they are. Once you're finished with the settings, click OK. After clicking OK, the indicator will be added to your chart. You'll then be able to see it displayed on the chart according to the settings you selected. If you want to add another indicator, repeat the same process. Go back to the Navigator panel, expand the Indicators section, find the indicator you want, click and hold it, drag it onto the chart, adjust the parameters if needed, and then click OK. You can repeat these steps whenever you want to place another indicator onto the same chart or onto a different chart. The process remains the same each time. Open the Navigator panel with Ctrl and N, expand the Indicators section, choose the indicator you want, drag it to the chart, review the parameters, and confirm by clicking OK. If you decide to use a different indicator later, simply return to the Indicators section in the Navigator panel and follow the same steps again. That's all there is to adding an indicator in MetaTrader 5. Open the Navigator panel using Ctrl and N, expand the Indicators section, drag the indicator you want onto your chart, review the available parameters if needed, and click OK to apply it. Once you've done that, the indicator will appear on your chart and be ready to use. Thank you for watching.